How to remove my Facebook account from other devices. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily remove your Facebook account from other devices. So first thing, simply head over to your Facebook application and make sure you're logged in with your account and simply click on your profile section, and from there simply head over to your settings, and inside settings click on settings option, and from here you can see the account center. Simply click on the account center, and from here you will be redirected to this page where it says password and security under the account section. So simply click on it, and from here just tap on the change password option and head over inside and just type in your current password here and new password and retype your new password. And don't forget, most important part is don't forget this, to check this box. That means you have to check this box to log out of all the other devices in which you have already logged in with your Facebook account. So what this does is basically changes your old password to new, and makes sure it's logged out from your account. And that's basically it. That's exactly how you can easily log out or remove your Facebook account from other devices. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.